Downshift Vlogs today. Crazy day. We've got so much shit that's been going on today. We went for this crazy ass meet in Liverpool and for crazy ass meet somewhere in North Yorkshire where I got carried away. This is kind of a further intro and more of an outro. You know, the meet wasn't as crazy as the one before, but there was some pretty cool cars, you know, and all sort of stuff, McLarens and GTRs and all sort of stuff. So what we're gonna do now is, you know, I'm gonna make the video. You see this video, see what you guys think, and you know, comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the video. The BMW that you saw, the black one, that's my boy. I'm gonna put his name in the description, or down here. You should be able to see his name pop up. Give me a follow on Instagram. Give him a like. He's one of my boys. He's really close to me. He helps me out with filming and all this stuff. So big up to him, and thank you very much. So craziest thing ever happened, right? I'm walking back to the car from getting about the coffee, and next thing I see this McLaren, and I speak to the owner of the McLaren, and I'm like, yo, can I take a video of it? And he's like, yeah, that's pretty cool. And he tells me it's about the McLaren's coming down. Guys, this is insane. Dude, yo, this is sick. You guys gotta see this. Look, you see that? Yo, this is insane. This is on a different level. There's about 20 of them coming. He said something about going to Brookwood or something. I think it's supposed to be some crazy Brookwood meet or some sort. I don't know what that is, but yo, this is out of this world, man. This wrap though, dang. I'm gonna make sure I take as much food as I can, just for you guys. Cause guys, this is on a different level though. Come on, don't let me down. Yo, yeah, people gotta see this though. Today's turning into a sick ass day. How clean is that though? Yo, today's gonna be sick as day. I know that. I get the feeling already. I can get the damn feeling already. I'm gonna move back for a further shot just for you guys. Wow, she's a beauty, man. And it's a 2017 plate, so it's pretty new. Woo. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this wrap. I know it's got carbon fiber pretty much everywhere. I know it ain't no P1 GTR, but look at this paint though. Seriously, look at this paint. And I can hear the engine cooling down. Imagine all those horsepowers, all those hoses at the back of your head. Dude. Unfortunately, I cannot hang around here for 20 minutes because I'm already running behind time. Gold alloys. Huh? Anybody keen on the gold alloys? I think they are. I think they make it work. But guys, this is an absolute machine. What an absolute machine. So I don't know, I could have waited 20 minutes. I could have waited 20 minutes, you know, for this guy to come out and bring his friends out, but 20 minutes is too long, guys. I gotta go to Liverpool. I'm already running out of time. I'm running out of time. I won't make it. But yo, this is an absolute machine. Woo. I'm gonna take some shots just for you guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, and there he comes. There he comes. So maybe it might actually be alright to have him on camera. I was just telling the viewers about the the wrap. Yeah.
Shines. When the sun comes out,
yeah,
it goes bronze.
It goes bronze.
Yeah.
Wow. A few guys actually, I've seen them on the BMW, but I haven't seen them on the McLaren. This is insane.
Yeah.
She's absolutely beautiful. What was she? What's the original color?
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're nice and black as well. Where'd you pick it up from? Ascot?
Manchester.
Manchester.
Mm.
Wow, she's a beauty. And she's brand new as well.
Yeah.
Is that the dealers in Manchester?
Yeah. That's the colour it goes in the sun. That bronze.
Wow.
Colour.
Who took that picture?
Me.
Really? With his phone?
Yeah.
I see.
Nice, isn't it?
That's so good. It looks edited as well. It's so good.
So yeah, but I'm going to wrap it every 6 months, I think.
Yeah.
It's my new hobby.
Oh shit! Guys, work hard, man. Work hard. You gotta work hard.
That sounded like Lee, actually.
Yeah, it sounded sick. It sounded really, really good. Crackle bang crackle. Crackle bang crackle. You know what it is? I like the detailing. I like the way they've left, you know, like the split, the front split. I like the way they've left the matte black, and then they put the detailing of the color shift. Yeah, I like the way they've done that. Exactly. Oh, you're keyring as well. So that really stands out. That really, really stands out massively. And the lip looks really, really good.
Sexy, isn't it?
Yeah, but this car is an absolute machine, and she's absolutely beautiful. Oh, Porsche.
Yeah.
GT4, GT3.
It's like a GT3.
Yeah, it looks like a GT3. Woo. Yo.
You'll be excited now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be excited now. Woo. Look at this beauty, GT3. She's been wrapped as well.
Yeah.
Wow. Woo. That Gallardo though. Matte black and Tron. Wow. Sorry guys, but the footage is handheld because I got all my mounts in the back. And obviously I'm driving right now and I can't mount with DSLR to the oh man, they were supposed to be behind me, not in front of me, so we don't have that much GoPro footage now. Look what we got here. Look what we got here. Wow. Wow.
The McLaren phone?
Yeah, don't tell me about it. Look at that. Yeah, tell me about it. Guys, we have a really sick, really serious car collection here. There's a McLaren 650S, we've got a Noble over there, we've got an Audi R8 V10 I think it is, we've got an M3 and M2, man, we got low sorts, we got an FB, we got a Ferrari over there, we have a Nissan GTR, we have a Mustang, we have a Chevy. Guys, there's some serious collection of cars here, and man, I only met these guys by chance, and they were good enough to invite me over and say, "Leo, come and take some 6 shots of our meet and stuff." So I'm gonna give you a quick walk around on what sort of cars they have and the footage you queue up onto next and see what's good. But I'm gonna have to go to the other meet because this was just around a meet. I gotta get back to the other one, so speak to you. And say, what's up, guys? This guy, he has a Cayman, and I'll show you here in a sec. It's an absolute beauty. He's gonna talk to us about what he's done to the car and stuff like that. He said he did the exhaust.
Yeah, the exhaust is Capistrano switchable, so you can Take it up and down, open the valves,
on the valves,
open automatically at 4,000 revs.
Oof.
It was about wow. $4 was the exhaust. Should have been about 7.
Really?
Yeah.
So you actually got it cheaper?
I got it direct from the factory.
Wow. And that's the thing with Porsche. I think they're probably the only dealer out there that will literally fully customize your car for you.
Yeah.
You know, which is, you know, a big app up there. And obviously they've been winning. They won Le Mans and they've been winning for the past, whatever, they're dominant in the game right now. You know.
Well, the Caymans are supposed to be one of the best driving cars.
One of the best in driving cars. The handling is supposed to be phenomenal. I haven't driven them yet. I will get a chance to one day very soon, I'm sure, at some point. Yeah, you said apart from the exhaust, you said you had that spoiler came from the factory.
Yeah, the spoiler.
Okay,
yeah.
so they provided and fitted that for you.
Yeah, that's a proper carbon fibre spoiler.
That's a proper carbon fibre. Oh, right, it's active. So it's add some downforce to the car then.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really?
2.5 ton.
Really?
Pressure on the back.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So you feel it a lot more on braking and stuff then.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. That's really
good. And then
good.
I've had a clear engine cover put on.
Yes.
To expose the engine, and that was detailed.
To expose the engine.
Yeah, so because you can't normally see them.
What's the name of the car again? Yorkshire Supercar owners. Sweet. So if anybody owns a supercar in the north, this is where you gotta go.
That's right.
You know, I don't own one yet, so I can't join just yet. But I'll catch up. I'll catch up. With the way, with the amount of supercars I'm seeing these days, I'm not. I think I'm in the right place to get some motivation and some goals. You know.
Here, look. Because it flexes that.
Oh yeah, it flexes. Oh, it means it works. It means it works.
You can't normally see the engine.
That's the exposure of the engine right there. Wow. Did you have to do this yourself?
I've had it all done. Yeah, I haven't done the work.
Yes, you've had it all done.
Men Porsche dealer in Leeds do it.
Dope as shit. We're gonna have this crazy meet, like I told you. Obviously, I ain't gonna go to the meet with the crazy with the crazy ass car I was driving. I'm gonna go in something dope like this. You heard? Ain't that right, bro?
That's it,
BMW gang still. Yo, this Audi is clean though, and we taking some GoPro shots and shit. That's all for you guys. Really? Oh yeah, it's running in. Sick, man. She's clean. So let's see what's good at this meet. Is this it? Well, let's see what's good. Let's see what's good. Yo, she actually sounds nice, you know. These exhaust. What?
Yeah.
Exhaust actually sound clean. You guys over there, the one in my YouTube page and stuff, they were quite good. So I'll let them have it. Cars personally, for me, I haven't seen this car in a very long time. I've only seen one, and the only time I saw this one was years ago. But looking at these right now, this is a whole different story. It's obviously been wrapped in purple. Matte purple, it's got carbon fiber bonnet, carbon fiber wrap bonnet, carbon fiber spoiler in the back, and you know, alloys, all black alloys. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna show you. You know, I'm gonna take some footage for you guys to see. So two sweet cars that I've never seen. NSX, GUILIA. That is a very beautiful looking M4. Wow, look at the NSX, man. What do you think? it's beautiful, isn't it? It's covered the... Yeah, carbon fiber. And yeah, it's covered the plate, yeah. Oh, actually, do you think you can down for that? Tell me about that plate. What do you think? It's covered.
Should I do it?
Go for it. Go for it.
Oh shit. 1, 2.
Cause man, I like Jaykae, where have you been? Everyone's asking me that, you know. So let me tell them, yo. Cause I was the best man when D2 got married. The pool bear out when debts got carried. I lost count of times that I got ballied and risked my freedom for pricks. Yeah, it was inside me, a rim chest got padded. Told him strap bars, don't stay strallied. All of the hype on roads invalid. Don't risk your freedom for this. Yeah, now you're back inside looking at a big white soul. Holler me fam if you need anything. I know how it goes cause I've been on the wing. Yeah, I was with Hecky and Keem on the wing. Had it on lock before I got locked. Nearly at the top, yeah, I've been in the brink. Loose bitches wanna go to the club, tell them go back home, go clean up your sink. If you think Jaykae ain't saying anything, walk in New York, go straight to the fridge. Build that shit now, breaking the bridge. Wanna come small leaf to a straight at the bridge. So leave him when I'm taking the piss. Got all the bullshit straight to the piss. I was the guy that stood up and caught charge when Bays in the brain in my ridge. I was the guy that jumped out the car and ran down the guy that was stabbing up socks. I was the guy outside wind out who got stabbed up and everybody watch now, everybody watch. Everybody get down, everybody drop. Seen MCs getting friendly with the cops. Yo, when will it stop now? Fuck that, I'll put an end to the lot. If you want me, then you better pay me though. This Jaykae's not Jay-Z's flow. This a shot work cause it made me though. That's a little man thing like a baby grow. Phone of the boys in jail in the background, I can hear me on the radio. I was the guy that told Soldier that you gotta let KD go. Now KD's gone. R.I.P. Hey yo, I feel that shit for his nan and his mom. My man wanted to be like us, so we put on his shoes and we bring him along. I was in jail when my grandma died. Ain't gonna lie, but man, I cried. From Tasmania, I've been doing this time for the past 10 years. Been a band outside, it's real shit. That's real shit. I want an M4 straight from the dealership. I want a rep from my city like Leisha did. I best watch them guys that I'm meeting with. Yeah, just pay to take the one piece of it. But my problems are the least of it. Yeah, what's the leader without leadership? Had to breathe fast like we a big man. Invading alone, yeah, you can hold that. I can give my own back, I fall back. You can fall me, but I won't fall back. You don't hold me and I don't hold Jack. And it's cold out here, it's mine, you don't lack. Don't pitch out when you get a throw back. That's man who's got a problem with that. It's as simple as that. I used to wake up and not know what I do for the day. Till I had a you on the way. I need a mansion now and are you gonna pay? No, better get down, letting loose when I spray. I'm a boss with lyrics, I'm boss with digits. I'm the big boss and I'll squash these midgets. No filters, family, this ain't gimmicks. I might bring the sticks, but this ain't Quidditch. I'm quite quick to flip it, rib cage with it. We've got problems, it ain't finished. Now make bread and I hold this thing. I'm best of both worlds, I'm mixed tracing it. Back then I never had a pot to piss in. Calm as a bitch, watch what you wishing. Inspiration become competition. I keep it real, so you got to listen to me. Oh yeah. Small leaf.